He's getting to know his environment, and the girls are playing like crazy. He's just making his way around the backyard, making his peepees. Yeah, marking his spot. There you go, see? He's marking his spots all over the yard. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah? Everybody happy? Make some more walk. See where he goes to. This is where some cats hide out. Oops. So, there's a good boy. Yeah? Huh? Hi, little Tuku. Tuk Tuk. Hey, baby. Hey, Tuku. He hasn't had his poo yet, so I had to put that back, we call that like a wall against the back fence there. Lottie-moo. Lottie-moo. Yeah, little Junior's looking to find a way out the backyard, huh? This is where cats like to jump out.